How to remove Google account from Google Photos. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial, so let's get started. Basically, removing account from your Google Photos means removing your Google account. So for that, open up Google Photos in your device. After you open it up, at the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. After you do that, next to your profile name on this drop-down box, there is an arrow icon. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be able to view all your account that is linked with this device or that is logged in with this device. So under that, there is an option as manage account on this device. Tap on it. That's going to take you to next page where it says password and account. There you will be able to view all your accounts that is logged in your device. So from there you have to choose your Google account that you want to remove from your Google Photos. For example, I have this account right here. Once you tap on it, on the next page, there you will find an option to remove an account. So from there, tap on this button that says remove account. And again, tap on remove account. And there you go. This account is now removed from your device and as well as from your Google Photos. So that's the way to remove the Google account from Google Photos, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.